Good morning, everyone. Let us start the assembly. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start with the prayer. Eternal God, creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly, and to move my heart that I may love you above all things. And my neighbor for your sake, help me that I may never, in my thoughts, words, or deeds, offend against your holy law. Amen.
Stand up, everyone. Stretch your right hand up and speak with me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Yes, Puneet. Puneet, can we have you on screen?
Yes. Good not day. Every day may not be good, but there is something in every day. I repeat, every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day.
Yes. Shlok.
International. Good morning, everyone. Today's the news of the day are international news. Australia to shorten booster inverters as Omicron pushes cases to records. US Midwest hospitals prepare for worst with Omicron. National news. Session 144 imposed in Ludhiana, India's Omicron tally crosses 300 marks. Local news. Pune district reports 184 new COVID cases, 5 deaths. Pune police arrest RTI activist Sudhir Alat for demanding 50 lakh extortion money. Mumbai long 602 new COVID-19 cases, 23 new Omicron cases in Maharashtra. Sports news. Pele discharged from hospital, will spend Christmas with family. Hockey. In FIH rankings this year, India meant to finish in third spot and women dropped to ninth. Weather. Maximum temperature in Pune will be 31 degrees Celsius. Pune temperature in Pune, minimum temperature in Pune will be 14 degrees Celsius. Sunrise will be at 7:04 a.m. Sunset will be at 6:05 p.m. Thank you.
Yes, history of the day. Soham.
Good morning, everyone. History of the day. 24th December, Christmas Eve, which is the day before Christmas Day, is celebrated in many countries worldwide on 24th December, and every year 24th December is also observed as National Consumer Day. Observe as National Consumer Day
With
with a specific theme in India on this Consumer
protection.
Protection Act 1986 had received the assent of the President. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We are all gathered here for a Christmas celebration, isn't it? I would like to show and share a small video with you all. I hope you all are ready. I want everyone to switch on their cameras. Let me see little Santas on the screen.
I got this as an early Christmas gift from my uncle. Who's that in all this wintry action? That's Santa Claus parked in front of a Christmas tree.
Who's that?
Santa lives at the North Pole. Every Christmas, he flies in his sleigh, pulled by reindeer, and gives gifts to people around the world. What exactly is Christmas, Nina? It's the birthday of Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Long ago, a woman named Mary was engaged to a man named Joseph, who was a carpenter. One day, the angel Gabriel told Mary that she would soon have a baby boy. He was none other than the Son of God. Mary and Joseph together traveled all the way to Bethlehem, where an innkeeper let them stay in his stable for the night. Mary had her son very soon. She wrapped him in her clothes, laid him down on a bed of hay. Meanwhile, an angel of God announced the birth of the Son of God to a group of shepherds who were watching their flock. A star appeared above the manger where Jesus was born. 3 wise men from afar followed the star to the manger and showered him with gifts. Celebrating Christmas reminds us of what he taught. What was that? Love, sharing, forgiveness, and making peace. Let's celebrate. Yes, let's decorate the Christmas tree. Send greeting cards to those we love. Go to church. Have a big family dinner. It brings family and friends together and helps us appreciate each other.
And giving gifts. My favorite part is opening my doggy gift box.
What an excellent holiday. I love the spirit of it. How about we celebrate Christmas here? We can find a tree to decorate and exchange gifts with all our animal friends.
I'm an expert at this. I shower my queen with gifts every day.
You sure have an eye for special things.
And now you have a chance to show your love for all your other friends as well. Apu, can you make a Christmas tree?
Hey, I found it first. It's a crown meant for a king. And what's not so kingly about me? I've got the kingliest name in all of Upvan. Get it? King Lee. I could be King Tiger, and it would never sound kingly.
You're both going against the spirit of Christmas.
I just want him to appreciate the king in me.
But you're not showing your nobility, Your Royal Highness.
Why don't you let him have it, King? Remember, you can always send your wish list to Santa. Uh-oh, Santa needs help. Santa's elves are sick. Apu, do something. Wish lists come true.
And we've never felt better. Thank you, Apu.
And as a thank you, I'd like to take you on my very special ride. Hop on, Apu.
तो क्या मेरा अच्छी बस
Presents! Let's open them.
Wait, we're just missing one thing.
We're a snow globe.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
We dare to believe that we can and we will cross every ditch, every valley, and every hill.
Yes, so let us all celebrate the spirit of Christmas. I would like to call upon Sapna ma'am for saying a short story about Christmas. Sapna ma'am, can we have you on screen?
Yes, ma'am. A very good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Yes, very good morning. Good morning, my respected principal ma'am, all teachers, and my all little ones. Yes, tomorrow we are going to celebrate our lovely festival, Christmas. Yes, good morning, everyone. As we all know, Christmas is around the corner and everyone is busy preparing it to be the best one of that. Christmas is a season of love, harmony, and spreading awareness. Christmas is celebrated every year on December 25th, as it is considered to be the day of which Jesus Christ was born. Christmas is a symbol of peace, love, as it is celebrated around the world with joy and happiness. Jesus Christ was born in the world that was full of hatred and anger. In spite of all these conditions, Jesus Christ was able to change people's heart and taught everyone how only love can spread peace around the world. Once again, I wish everyone a very happy and blessed Christmas and a wonderful new year ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot for a lovely spirit, for the values that Christmas teach us. Now I would like to call upon Aditya and Daksh. Arpita ma'am, over to you for the Christmas songs. Arpita ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. Am I audible? Yes, ma'am.
Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have you on screen? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. While fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. No more let sins and sorrows grow, nor thorns infest the ground. Come to make his blessings flow, but as the curse is found, but as the curse is found, but as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. Thank you.
Beautiful, very nice, Aditya. Daksh, are you ready for the next Christmas song?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Happy Christmas to all. Today I'm going to sing a song, Deck the Halls. Ma'am, one second. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice. Thank you, Daksh. Now, you all know that Christmas is incomplete without one person. Who is that person? Who Who's that person?
Santa Claus.
Yes. Can you find the little Santa on the screen? Yes, the Gitansh is a little Santa who will be singing a song for us. Gitansh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I want everyone to keep themselves on mute. Okay. Yes, Gitansh.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells all bobbed and ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride a single sleigh song tonight! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh! Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is wide, go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight, sing the sleigh song. Get the bobtail way, 40 for his speed, and hitch him to an open sleigh, and you will take a lead. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Now I would like to call upon Abha ma'am to speak a few words on this occasion.
Wow, first of all, good morning, everyone. And yes, very first thing I want to say here is Gitansh has got a one super fan, and that's me. I am his super fan. Gitansh, note me that I am your super fan, okay? Well, Humaira ma'am, very well presented assembly today, and what a celebration of Christmas, online celebration of Christmas. So everyone, a very Merry Christmas and Happy Christmas. Now on this note, I just want to add 2-3 more things. You have already heard me yesterday, but yes, today is the day of this year, which is the last day of this year for us. Why? Because now from tomorrow, holiday will start. Okay, holidays will start, and then we are going to meet in New Year, that is 2022. Fine. So we have to do some planning for the coming New Year. So it's not like we have to plan for party, we have to plan for celebrations. But yes, there are 2 things we have to do most importantly. Very first thing is that just evaluate your 2021. Just check what you have learned new in 2021. What things you have missed to learn in 2021. Make a list. And then promise yourself that you will learn those missed out things in 2022. It's very easy to make resolutions for the new year. Now everyone says, okay, like from 1st January 2022 or the new year, we will start doing this thing. But how much we keep it, how much committed we are to do it for whole year. The new year begins and we do it just for 3-4 days and then forget. So it is very important that whatever resolution you make, try to stick on that and commit to yourself that whatever resolution you are making to yourself, you will be completing it. So resolution should be such that you should able to stick on it. So try to write down those 5-6 new habits you want to inculcate in the new year. If you are not reading a book right now, write down, I will read 1 book every month or 1 book every week. There are many storybooks available. You can get those books and you can develop a reading habit. Moreover, we have that Freedom app where you have so many stories to read and to listen. So there also you can listen and read several stories. And that way you can develop a reading habit. For students, it is very important to develop reading habit because that is only going to help you to learn many things and to remember things for longer. And it will also help you to add on to your vocabulary and you will be able to speak better. Yes. So develop reading habit. That should be your first resolution. Getting up early can be second resolution. So find out what things you have not done till now. Start, noting down those things, and from them, choose how much you can do and start working on it. And this is how you can make your new year, coming year, great. And at the end of that year, you will be happy that you have successfully completed that year. Okay? So there should be no regret कि अरे मेरा ये रह गया, वो रह गया, मैंने ये तो इस साल कुछ किया ही नहीं. हमने सोचा था इस साल मैं 10 बुक्स पढ़ूंगी, पर मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही बुक्स पढ़ी है. कोई बात नहीं. Add those 8 books to next year. And next year you will read 18 books. So 2 books in a month. And on this day, I want to announce that from next year, we are going to have the best reader of the year. So every month there will be a best reader. So you have to collect the names of, not collect, you have to read the books. And once you finish the book with a short summary, submit your reports or summary to your class teachers. So that summary of the book you read in 100 words, that whatever you have learned from that book, name of the book and the name of the writer. And then submit those summaries to your class teacher, and on basis of that, whichever student's maximum summary will get submitted will be chosen as the best reader of the month. So teachers, please note down that now onwards, you have to keep encouraging your children so that they can read more books and submit more summaries to you. And at the end of every month, you will be giving me the name of best author or best reader of your class. Okay? And then at the end of the year, we will be having best reader of the year. Means the reader who have become maximum time best reader in their class will be chosen as the best reader of the year. Okay? So I hope everyone have committed to themselves in their hearts that yes, I'm going to do it. So best of luck and Happy New Year, Happy 2022 and Merry Christmas. And I hope we all end this year with a lot of happiness and success, and we start the new year with a smile, with a commitment to success, with a goal to success. Thank you.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Happy New Year, ma'am. Happy New Year, ma'am.
Okay. Keep yourself on mute, everyone.
Happy New Year, ma'am. Happy New Year.